Welcome to another Get in the Know moment with Joe. I'm Joe, and today, guys, I want to help you get in the know about TIPP. Hit that like and subscribe button, that way you can catch all my videos, past and the ones to come. So what is TIPP, guys? No, it's not what you leave after a restaurant, your dining experience. It stands for Temperature Intense Exercise, Pace Breathing, and Paired Muscle Relaxation. So it means decrease your body's temperature, usually holding ice or something like that for 30 seconds is pretty common to help lower your body's temperature. Intense exercise, well, it's just that, man. Get out, do some exercise, help take your mind off of it. Paced breathing, that's, taking some deep breaths, helps slow your heart rate. When someone says take a deep breath, this is usually what they're meaning, they just don't realize it. And paired muscle relaxation, that talks about tensing up a muscle, holding it for about 7 seconds, releasing it. Then you can do another muscle or do that same muscle. This helps your body to feel the tense and then relax. That will help your overall relaxation. Guys, this will help. Trust me, I've been there. If you got value out of this, hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the links in the description. You can join me on any one of my many social media platforms. And as always, get in the know with Joe.